What's going on, guys? This is Minor with DLC Auto Solutions. I'm right here with Brandon from the Detail Thrillz. So Brandon's gonna come pick up some scents. He asked if we had anything new. We're stoked to have Shine Supply's new Shine scents in stock. So before he takes them, he's gonna be rating them on a 1 to 4. Comment down below and see what your favorite scent is, if you have used them, and if you haven't, come on over to DLC Auto Solutions. We'd be happy to service you. Okay, and before we start, Brandon, what's your go-to scent? What do you like to when you're shopping?
All right, one of my scents would be technically a nice, clean, fresh scent.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right, check it out. So you want to go left to right to left?
However you want. They all look really good.
Okay, I'm a lefty, so we'll start from my left, your right. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Vanilla bean. Let's smell here.
All right, vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's good.
That's a good one.
These are real reactions, by the way. He's never smelled these.
Yeah, this
Not
one,
a paid action.
This one's a really good smell. I would say definitely for a female's car.
Okay, female's car.
A female's car would this would be really
Okay, cool. Here's Clean and Shine.
Clean and Shine. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This one's really good too.
Yeah, okay.
This is a nice clean finish.
Okay.
With not too strong smell.
Gotcha.
But nice and clean.
Okay, cool. My OCD right here. The detailer.
Okay.
Hold on, check that. There you go. Cool. All right, cruising for a bruising.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's the one.
Yeah.
For me.
We're
That's the one.
We're gonna have to double take slow mo that dude's reaction.
Oh, that's a good one right there.
Okay.
That's a good one for cruising.
That was it. Okay, listen, this is cool. This thing has odor eliminating properties on it too.
This one's a really good one too.
Okay.
Nice and not so strong smell.
Okay.
For those customers that don't like too much in their face.
Yeah.
That's definitely a good product.
Okay, cool. Now here we go. We're gonna just put them like this, no specific order. And then from your point of view, it'd be this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Okay.
Okay, cool. Go for it, man. What are your top 4? Or not 4, but they're all
My
top 4.
Okay, which
what is your number 1?
This
2,
one will
3,
be
4?
my top 1
okay,
personal.
Okay, number 1.
This one will be my second one.
Number 2, okay.
These ones are kind of hard because they're both really not that strong.
Gotcha,
really nice, clean smell.
Gotcha.
So I would say technically, there's no last one. They'll be these together.
Gotcha. Okay.
Definitely
You
together.
have to though, bro. You have to. 3 and 4. You have to. It's alright. You have to, bro.
I'll probably say like
there you,
that.
Okay. So that's it. All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. All right. So Brandon from the Detail Thrillz. 1, 2, 3, 4 is gonna be cruising, vanilla bean. It's gonna be cool breeze and clean and shine. That's it. All right, cool. All right, and you guys let us know what's your 1, 2, 3, 4 pick. Let us know in the comments. If you guys like content like this, let us know, and we'd be happy to go ahead and throw some more of this at you guys. Thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe. See you soon.